Tracking customer inquiry communication can be frustrating. Maybe yes, but with Tejo ERP, you can easily and quickly track all your customer communications in real time. Let's take a look at how it works. As you can see, under the Sales and Marketing module, in the Inquiry section, we have an inquiry for the customer, NextWave Multimedia. To update the communication, simply click on the call icon. From here, you can add all the relevant communication details, including attaching any supporting files. You can select the activity type, such as follow-up call, assign an activity owner, and set the scheduled date and time for the call. You can also define a follow-up date and time to ensure timely responses. Once all the fields are filled in, just click Submit. And as you can see, the entry is successfully recorded in the system. You can also send direct emails to the contact person with just a click. It's a fast, efficient way to keep everything in one place. Thank you for watching. Let Tejo ERP drive your company's success. Stay connected for more updates.